Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build a website store. First, you need to choose the right e-commerce platform. This crucial step involves considering your technical comfort level and financial investment. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Squarespace offer various features, from easy drag-and-drop builders to more customizable open-source solutions. Think about what kind of products you'll sell and how many, as this impacts scalability and overall cost. Making an informed decision here saves significant time later. Once your platform is chosen, focus on designing an attractive and intuitive storefront. Your website's appearance is the first impression for potential customers, so make it count. Utilize high-resolution product photography and write compelling, clear descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Remember, over 50% of online shopping now happens on mobile devices, so ensuring your store is fully responsive across all screen sizes is absolutely essential for a seamless user experience. Now it's time to populate your store with products. Carefully upload each item, ensuring accurate pricing, detailed descriptions, and current stock levels. Next, integrate reliable payment gateways such as Stripe or PayPal to process customer transactions securely. You'll also need to configure your shipping rates and methods, offering various options like standard or express delivery. Don't forget to set up precise tax calculations based on your location and product types. With your store built and products loaded, the next step is to attract customers. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes social media engagement, targeted email campaigns, and search engine optimization to improve visibility. Before officially launching, conduct thorough testing of every aspect, from product pages to the checkout process, to ensure a flawless customer experience. A successful launch requires both a great store and effective promotion to reach your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.